Hello friends, welcome your own channel Mera Bharat back to basics. Today we're delving into the health and Ayurveda realm to explore a crucial topic. Unleashing the goodness of flaxseeds, Alsi ke Beej, a vegetarian's comprehensive guide. Get ready to discover why flax seeds are a must-have for all the vegetarians out there. These tiny seeds pack a punch of benefits, and we're about to break it all down for you. Let's dive into the world of flax seeds and see what makes them a superfood for vegetarians. Flax seeds are a must-add to your vegetarian diet. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a valuable addition to a vegetarian diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for vegetarians, and flax seeds provide an excellent plant-based source. Their high fiber content not only promotes digestive health but also contributes to a feeling of fullness. Additionally, the protein content in flax seeds plays a vital role in a vegetarian diet, offering a valuable alternative to other plant-based sources. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These fats are critical for various bodily functions, including brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular well-being. Lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. Studies suggest that the soluble fiber content in flax seeds may help lower LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption and aiding in its elimination from the body. Blood pressure regulation. The combination of omega-3s, fiber, and lignans in flax seeds may contribute to blood pressure regulation. Controlling blood pressure is key to reducing the risk of cardiovascular events. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to joint pain and conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory compounds in flax seeds may help alleviate inflammation and promote overall joint health. 1. Joint lubrication. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to joint lubrication. Adequate lubrication is essential for smooth joint movement and may help reduce friction in the knee joints. 1. Cartilage. Support. Omega-3s play a role in supporting cartilage health. Cartilage acts as a cushion in the joints, including the knee, and maintaining its health is crucial for joint function. Incorporating flax seeds into everyday vegetarian meals is easy and versatile. From smoothies to salads and baked goods, there are numerous ways to enjoy the benefits of flax seeds. Furthermore, flaxseed oil adds a nutritious touch to vegetarian cooking, whether in salad dressings or as a finishing oil. The health benefits of flax seeds are remarkable, particularly in promoting heart health and aiding digestion. Their impact on cholesterol levels and digestive health makes them a valuable addition to a vegetarian or plant-based diet. When it comes to buying and storing flax seeds, it's essential to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. Understanding the differences between flaxseed meal and whole seeds is crucial for choosing the right form for various recipes. Preparing and consuming flax seeds is simple. Preparing flax seeds, roasting in a pan, grinding and soaking ingredients. Flax seeds, water for soaking if needed. Method: 1. Roasting flax seeds in a pan. Heat a pan over low flame. Add the flax seeds to the pan without any oil. Roast the flax seeds on low flame, stirring constantly until they release a nutty aroma and turn slightly golden. This usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Be cautious not to burn them. Remove the roasted flax seeds from the pan and let them cool to room temperature. 1. Grinding. Once cooled, transfer the roasted flax seeds to a grinder or a mortar and pestle. Grind the flax seeds to your preferred consistency. You can choose between a coarse or fine grind based on your preference. 1. Overnight soaking. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the ground flax seeds and place them in a bowl or a glass. Add enough water to cover the flax seeds. Typically a ratio of 1.3 flax seeds to water. Works well, but you can adjust based on your desired consistency. Stir the mixture well to ensure that the flax seeds are evenly distributed in the water. Cover the bowl or glass and let it soak overnight. This allows the flax seeds to absorb water and form a gel-like texture. 1. Morning preparation. In the morning, give the soaked flax seeds a good stir to mix the gel thoroughly. You can adjust the thickness of the mixture by adding more water if needed. Drink the soaked flaxseed mixture in the morning on an empty stomach or as a part of your breakfast routine. Optionally, you can add the soaked flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or incorporate them into other dishes. This method ensures that you get the nutritional benefits of flax seeds, including their high fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the quantity based on your preferences and how your digestive system responds. Whether roasting in a pan, grinding in a mixer, or soaking in water overnight, these methods ensure optimal absorption of their nutritional benefits. In conclusion, incorporating flax seeds into a vegetarian diet is a fantastic way to enhance overall health. We encourage you to explore the world of flaxseed recipes and share your favorites with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for future videos.